In this video, we are going to discuss about the second law of logarithm. And in this law, we call it the law of quotient. So this is a quotient rule. And in this law, I prefer calling it the law of division. Okay, I call it the law of division. Why is that? Because when we are dividing the logarithms, we have to subtract. Okay, so it means here it is log x minus log y, of course. So whenever we are dividing, we have to subtract. If we are still subtracting, we can divide. So it's always it goes both ways. So here we divide, or here we subtract. So when you're subtracting, you can divide. When you're dividing, we subtract. So let us take a look into a basic example and see whether we can apply our law of quotient, our second law. So let us say we're having logarithm 27 over 9. Let us say it is in base 3, of course. So here's the case now. Like I said, base 3 to be 27 minus log 9 base 3. When we are dividing, we subtract. So since the base is 3, it means here it is log 3 power 3. 3 power 3 base 3 minus log 3 power 2 base 3. And also now you can see that we get log 3 base 3 minus 2 log 3 base 3. So here you get 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. I think we have already discussed about log 3 base 3, log 3 base 3, and how an exponent ended up being on the other side of the logarithm. So here we can see our solution will end up being 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So it means if you were to divide, let us assume you were to put a bracket 27 over 9 bracket base 3. 9 here, it is 3, right? So you end up having log 3 base 3, which is equals to 1.